Hey, what's going on, everybody? If you're at this video here, we're at a point where either we've purchased the software or we're getting ready to purchase the software. Means you're at the iwms.com or Innovative Wealth Management Solutions website. All you're going to do is go to the online store, and once you get to the online store, you'll see the products, and you click on this one here. And now this is the thing: once you add it to the cart and pay for it, you're going to automatically get the file to download. So you'll be able to download the file that's needed for this. All right, for this particular EA or indicator, whatever it is you're purchasing, or the whole system. So once you purchase it and you get the download, you hit download, and what you want to do is it's gonna it'll probably be in your downloads files, and what you want to do is you want to copy it. Everyone has a downloads folder here, so you go to downloads here, and it'll be in here, and so what you do is you would take it. Let's just do it. I already took it out of there. So it was in here, and all you do is just cut it, take it out of there, right? And then you paste it on your desktop. Now I said desktop, but really what you would want to get is a VPS, a virtual private server. Because the EA is something that you want to run all the time. If you're just purchasing the indicators, then you don't need a VPS, because you want to put that on your own MT4 chart. And when you trade, that's when you need to see the indicators. But if you're using an EA, you want it to run consistently, so you would need a VPS, virtual private server, that you can put it on. So this is a virtual private server. This is it looks like a regular desktop, but it's not, right? And so you would put it on this desktop here. And when you open it up, you would see you have expert and you have library, right? So you need both of those. Now, if you were using an indicator, there will be another folder that says indicator, right? Or if you were using all three, you'd be experts, indicators, and libraries, right? So you'll need those. Once you do that, the next thing you want to do is open up your MT4 account. You want to open up your MetaTrader 4 account. Platform, and once you open up that platform, the MetaTrader 4 platform, you want to go to File, and you want to click on Open Data Folder. When you click on Open Data Folder, you're going to see MQL4, and so you want to double click on MQL4, and here we are. You see experts, you see indicators, and you see libraries. Those are the folders you need, because you're going to take the information that's in the expert folder, put it in experts. The information from the library, the indicator folder, put it in indicators, and the information in the libraries folder, put it in libraries, right? So again, let's just open up the libraries folder. It's already in here, but so we can see it. We want to minimize this screen here, and all we're going to do is come here, double click, and we'll cut that. Boom, cut it. And once you cut that, you're going to come over to your libraries, right click, and then you'll paste it. Right, so you paste it in here, right? And then once you do that, you're going to come out of this, and you're going to go back to your zip file, and you're going to go into the experts folder, and you're going to come here, and you're going to cut this, right? Cut it, or you can copy it. If you cut that, then you're going to come here, over here, and then you're going to go in experts, and it's already in here. But then you will just right click, and then you would paste, right? You would paste it in there. All right, so now it's in those folders. You can close both of those up, and now you want to come back to your MT4, and right here you want to just come here where it says indicators, because you can see it says indicators experts here. You want to just right click, and where it says refresh, hit refresh, and they would show up. Now it would show up on your thing. So now the Dragon Scalper EA is there on there. Okay, so now that you have it on here, the next thing you want to do is make sure you put the Japanese, Great British Pound, Japanese yen currency pair on your over here in to open up that chart. If I can get the words out right, you want to open up that chart. So one of the ways we do that is very simple. What you would do is you would go to come up here to where you have you see the forex pairs combinations over here, right? And we have it right down here. If it's not over here in your market watch, if it's not here, Great British Pound, Japanese Yen, or GBP, JPY, forex pair is not there, then all you want to do is go to View and click on Symbols, right? And when you click on Symbols, you got forex majors, and you have pairs in here. Oh, I just hide them all, so it's okay. But you have forex majors, and then you have forex crosses. Well, GBP JPY is a forex cross, so you would just either double click on it, or you could just click on it, then hit show. And now once it shows, you'll see it over here. And all we want to do is right click and then chart window. Right click, chart window, maximize that. Because all we want to be able to do is be able to put the EA on the chart. All we want to be able to do is put the EA on the chart. So what we're going to do now is we'll come here to this Dragon Scalper system. And you can see it's asking for a serial key. It's asking for a serial key, because if we just try to do it without it and click OK, it's going to say, please enter the serial key in your inputs window. So you hit OK, come here, double click on that, or you can right click and put on the window, but come to inputs and double click on that. Now you want to go to the email that you get. You're going to receive an email, and that email would have your serial key. So we're going to go to the email. We're going to get our serial key. Copy that. And once we copy the serial key, now we can come back. Come back over here and then just paste that in. Paste. Hit OK. Now it's on here. And it's a smiley face, so that means it's ready to rock and roll. It's ready to go, right? If it was a sad face, what we would do, see right here is a sad face. What we would do is come over here to make sure auto trading is turned on, right? So you turn that on. And if it's still not working, you want to come here to Tools, go to Options. And once you go to Options, you want to go to Experts and make sure Allow Automated Trading is checked. And then you want to make sure these are not checked, these two buttons here. And then you want to make sure Allow DLL Imports are checked. And once you do those two, you're good. Now, if you want notifications, then you would come here and enable notifications. And then on your app or on your MetaTrader, you will get your MetaQuotes ID number. And once you get that ID number, you will be able to get push notifications. It will send you a text message letting you know that you're in a trade. So again, but you want to make sure Expert is Allow Automated Trading and allow this. And once you do that, you're good. And now it's good to go. You have it on there. Now you just have to wait. Now, again, before you go, what you want to make sure you do is make sure this is on a 15-minute time frame. Remember, the Dragon Scalper, the EA is based on the 15-minute time frame, right? The Dragon Scalper is based on the 15-minute time frame. The market flow is 5-minute time frame, and the momentum builder is a 5-minute time frame. So you want to make sure that it's on the right time frame. If not, you won't get the results you're looking for, right? So make sure it's on the 15-minute time frame for the Dragon Scalper, and make sure the smiley face is there, and now it's ready to go. And so now, because it's on the virtual private server, whenever a signal comes, if everything's appropriate, it'll get in the trade. Hey, and then hey, you're on your way. So hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, please let us know. But hopefully this helped you and help you get started, and great trading.